Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video is on pedicure. You can see the heel has so many dead skin. The polish is in a mess, like you can see. Whoops. Yeah, so I wanna fix these. So stay with me as we do a pedicure at home. We bring a spa at home. Yeah, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to remove the gel. So I've just soaked in the gel polish with acetone. Then I have those kind of pegs, so I put acetone on cotton wool, then I lay it on my toenails, and then I peg it, stay for some few minutes, and it comes out very easily. Then the next thing I want to do is to remove the cuticles. So that's the cuticle gel, so I apply it on the nails, like you can see. I apply everywhere, so it will help the cuticles to come out very easily. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is to soak my legs. So I'm going to use soda ash or baking soda. Then I'm going to use a shampoo. I put all that in a basin containing warm water, not hot. Don't burn yourselves, okay? Then for the spa vibe, I add the flowers, and like you can see, we are in a spa. Yeah guys, so subscribe if you have not subscribed, share, like, and comment. Let me know what do you think of this video, guys. Hey, imagine this is a whole girl walking with these so many cuticles. Can you see that? Ooh. Okay, girl. We are not going to judge, but we are judging, but we are not judging. So let's remove those cuticles, because can you see? So I'm using that cuticle remover. Remember, I had applied cuticle gel, and therefore the cuticles are coming out very easily, and it's very easy for me, like you can see. Yeah, so the cuticles were so many, the dead skin, it was a little mess. Like my toes were in a little mess. I was not giving my feet the love that they deserve. Then I'm also using the cuticle pusher to push the cuticles, and just to ensure that all the cuticles have come out, like you can see. Yeah. Then after removing one leg, I dip it in water that is in the basin, you remember that, and then I deal with the other leg. I remove the cuticles and just clean the nails in everywhere. Then the next thing is to shape them. So I'm using a nail cutter to cut the edges whereby I want to shape them, then file using a file to get the desired shape, or to get a very good shape, like you can see me doing. So for how long do you do your pedicure? Guys, the heel was also in a mess. Can you see that? The dead skin that has come out of that leg. I could not believe. Can you see that? Whoops! Everything was in a mess. So like, but anyway, I'm happy that I'm doing this. So after that, I'm going to use my coffee scrub, which I've made at home. It's a DIY scrub to scrub the leg, like you can see me doing. So I scrub everywhere, then I rinse off using very warm water. Then there is that kablash of removing the coffee in the nails. Can you see, guys? Finally, I'm looking like a girl. Can you see that? See? Wow, I love it. Then guys, I'm going to apply my gel polish. So I'm going with this pink color. So I've applied the base coat, then the color, and then the top coat. Then I moisturize my legs because wow, look at the results, guys. I really love these. I'm sure you're also loving my feet right now. Can you see that?